Hey all, today we're going to talk more about similar triangles, and this time we're going to use our knowledge of what it means to be similar triangles to solve some proportions. So here I have two similar triangles, DCB and RST, and I know some things. I know that BC is 36, RS is 22, ST is 24, and I'm looking to figure out how long DC is. And so we can use the names of the triangles, just like we did with congruent triangles, to figure out which sides should match up. So BC is 36, and so that goes with ST or TS, which is 24. And then we'll check, but we should know now that question mark goes with 22. But DC should go with RS, and RS is 22, DC is question mark. So we can set up a proportion by doing 36 over 24 and question mark over 22. You have to be very careful that the numbers on top of both of the fractions come from the same triangle, and the numbers on the bottom come from the same triangle. And so now we just have a proportion to solve like we did a couple of days ago. We'll cross multiply and do 24 times question mark equals 36 times 22. Simplify that multiplication on the right. Divide by 24 on both sides to figure out that side DC in this triangle is 33 long. So we can employ the same idea here. BC is 110. It goes with BR, which is 40. BD, the first and last letter, question mark, goes with BQ. That's 32. And so we can write those two fractions, 110 over 40 and question mark over 32. Again, very important. These two numbers, 110 and question mark, are part of the same triangle, and so they go both on top. You just have to be consistent. Cross multiply. Simplify that right side, and then divide both sides by 40 to find out that missing piece is 88 long. So one more, just sort of packaged a different way, these types of triangles here that overlap. It doesn't really matter what the names are. We know how they should go together. This side in the little triangle, that's 9, goes with the big triangle side, 45. This side, the little triangle, 13, goes with that side, question mark. And so I wrote 45 over 9 equals question mark over 13. Again, 45 and question mark are both sides in the big triangle QRS. And then we'll just solve the proportion. And we'll find out that that side QR is 65 long. So that's it. Nice and short today. There's two problems there for you to try. We'll go over the answers in class. If you have questions, make sure that you ask.